Aloha guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna try to upload more often and create content. I look like crap right now. I just got up, I had myself some tea. I haven't been able to wash up yet, but my voice is like this because I just got sick. So I'm gonna show you my room real quick, because this is gonna be a video I'll probably do. Bed's over there. I've got clothes all over the place. So my bathroom floor looks like. Yep, super messy. Messy, messy. My makeup table there, messy. Everything is messy. We literally just finished our project of our first fix and okay. Got my teeth all nice and clean, my mouth all fresh, wash my face, and even though I'm gonna go in the sun and I am gonna use sunblock, I always make sure that I use it for my face, especially for my face. I also still like to moisturize, and this has been my favorite moisturizer for every day, especially because I spend a lot of my time outside. So I will put on this Aveeno Active Naturals Positively Radiant Sheer Daily Moisturizer because it has SPF 30 in it. So I got my moisturizer all done. Feeling moisturized, getting ready for that sun. I was in the middle of putting my hair up because honestly I don't like my hair down. Look at how much my roots have grown out. I was supposed to go back to get it touched up in May. It's July. Probably have to spend money to, I don't know if it's gonna be a touch up or full on color. Well, my hair is short, so when I put it up like this, I still have hair in the back. I think I have to adjust it. But again, I like my hair when it's down, but not all the time. So I always tend to put it back up. So this is me with my pareo on. So it covers up long ways. And I just love using it because I can go anywhere, especially when we're going out to the beach, and I just cover up like this. This is my beach towel. It was supposed to be Muslim cotton, which I doubt it. I got it from Macari, but it's huge. So I use it as my beach towel and a blanket. So we're all packed up and we're ready to go. My husband just ran in the house for one more thing, and we realized we have all of these in my truck. Don't mind my nails, they're not dirty. I was doing some kind of cleaning and whatever it was that I used stuck under it. So I've been trying to like dig it out, but we're gonna try to see if we can go redeem these. So these are from the ABC store in Ko'olina, which is a resort area that has a coffee shop on the inside. Hey guys, so we made it. We're out here at Praise, which is on the west side of the island. We're all sunblocked up. I'm just gonna put my glasses on because it's kind of bright here. This is our situation here. Damn, I can't even see. Got our chairs with 2 chairs. Husband and the kids are going in the water. We got everything settled and I'm gonna head in there too. It's such a beautiful day. My kids right there. My husband's right out there looking for shells. Such a nice, Hey, so we're back. We just did a little swimming and snorkeling here. So like I mentioned earlier, we went to 7-Eleven and grabbed some food. You saw the milk tea that we got. We also picked up some lapchang manapua. So for those of you that don't know what this is, it's basically like a Chinese sausage that's wrapped in a bun that you may have seen from like Chinese restaurants. We got this water here. Aloha alkaline. Instead of grabbing individual bottles, we figured, we'll just grab this big one here. And then at 7-Eleven, we also have some musubis that we got for the kids. And 7-Eleven carries their own brand from Japan. These chips are freaking awesome. Oh, how can I forget this? Hold on, you want to eat some? Pork hash? Original flavor pork hash. If you're from Hawaii, you know what this is as well. This is basically ground meat that's wrapped in like a wonton type of covering, and then it's steamed. This is so good. So I'm gonna have me a little lunch, eat some of this, and then I'll see if I can get my phone in the water. I don't really know if it'll work, but I'll try. If not, I'll try to get as close as to the water as I can with some footage there. See you guys. So we're just leaving the beach now. Unfortunately, this beach, they closed the road down about a few years ago. Sorry for my voice, I'm still sick. So we actually have to like walk. We walked actually from the beach side to our spot. But the sun is really hot, so we didn't want to walk that way, so we decided we're gonna go back this way. So we're just going through this trail that used to be an old road. You used to be able to camp down here. But it was such a beautiful day today. There's so many people here. Water was clean, clear. My husband found a few shells. I found one that I really like. Let's see. We're gonna head on home. We might stop off at 7-Eleven for shave ice, or AC. Beautiful day today. We're almost to our truck. So we'll pack up, head out, and look, this spot over here is really good, especially if you have small kids. Can you see that? It's kind of hard to see, but it's like a little cove, really shallow for small kids. So I'm gonna end this part here, and we'll come back shortly. So we're here at Ko'olina. We're gonna go into the ABC store. They call it the Island Country Market. We're gonna try and see if we can redeem our card. Hey, no lie. Okay, you gonna get your own or I'm gonna get my own?
If you like, yeah. That's what I want.
Okay, what do you want?
Ice mocha with whipped cream large.
Large ice white mocha? Hold on. Can you just stay here? Hi.
You want to consolidate it into?
Yeah. I think I can do 2 drinks, but I'll do one at a time.
You want to do the free 100?
Yeah.
The only thing, as long as you don't do like the happy hour, the smoothies, you're good. So this either or.
Oh, yeah.
If you
Can I
do
get
milk
a,
tea, you're good.
Can I get a large iced mocha latte with whipped cream?
Blended. Blended or nice?
Ice.
I'll take it. I'll try it blended.
Sorry. Whipped cream?
Yes, please.
Can I get a large ice matcha latte?
You wanted to do the, so we, like blended or?
Just ice with soy. Yeah. Yay, so they let me combine the cards, which was awesome. So we got 1 drink. I'm gonna save my other free drink for later. I just wanna go look at the food. Okay. So this place is like an ABC store, which is all over Hawaii for tourists. But this place has really good local food plate lunches. So we're gonna check that out.
Yeah, I don't like
Oh, that does look good.
It's really good, huh?
Beef broccoli. Did they have this before?
I never seen this before.
Yeah.
Big shower one, a big one,
Yeah.
large. You guys need broccoli.
I will. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep that. One of them is the new one. Yeah, so I just need 1 more to get another free one. You can see them.
I got apples, oranges,
So, and this place is really, really big. They have a lot of things for tourists. But like I said, for us, the most attractive thing is the fact that they have actual local plate lunches and they're super good. Oh, this looks good. Oh, this is really good. The ice mocha blended with whipped cream. So good. It's super cool because they also do free samples. They'll always have it at the pickup side of the counter. Thank you. Oh, this is really good too. Thank you. Your drink is really good.
Thank you.
Should I continue the vlog and show the food that we bought from here?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll wait till we go home then, or in the truck? Oh my. You know what yours tastes like? It tastes like Lion Coffee, the mocha, that iced mocha drink. The Frappuccino or something like that. That is really good.
It's regular.
So regular plate lunch, $10.49. Ooh, this looks really good. Let's see.
Okay, I can go now.
Bye.